Behind me is a used 2017 Rockwood Ultra Lite. It is a 2902WS floor plan. Measures approximately 33 feet and 9 inches, has a GVWR of about 8,700 pounds. With that, it has a fresh tank capacity of 43 gallons. It has a black tank capacity of 37 and a gray tank capacity of a whopping 72 gallons. It is August of 2025 and the unit has just landed here. It is being sold for $19,995. There's a number on the screen right now. You can call that number at any time. It's available 24/7. You can also email me if that's what you'd like to do. Other than that, let's get into the walkthrough. Best walkthrough of your life! Starting on the outside of the vehicle, it is fiberglass siding with a molded front cap. You have an electric front hitch jack. On the front and back of the vehicle, you are going to have electric hitch jacks as well. Look at that seal, that little gummy seal. That's an easy fix, don't worry about that, okay? Coming right through here, you have your pass-through storage. They also left a sway hitch in there with some blocks, which is nice. Coming down the side here, you're gonna notice we have 2 slides. From the outside of the vehicle, it does look like it was stored undercover because there's no reason the decal shouldn't be faded after 8 years unless it was taken care of. You have frameless windows on the outside of the vehicle, all the way around. You have a little bit more storage right here. Outside shower, 30 amp hookup. Spare tire on the back. Stinky slinky holder on the bottom. Ladder going up to the roof. Adaptable for a backup camera, another frameless window. A lot of windows on this vehicle. That cubby that's not open is access to your plumbing since it is a rear kitchen setup. A little bit more storage on the outside. Awning on this side with no slide, which means you get your full awning. It's gonna go out about 8 feet. Dual axle, of course, and it's the Ultra Lite series, so GVWR on 34 feet is 8,724 pounds. Let's go inside. Upon entering into the vehicle, you'll be met with the living area. It's got 2 theater chairs with a couch across from it. It's a tri-fold couch for the sofa. Dinette with the rear kitchen. It's that darker wood, so it makes it a little bit darker in here. You have your LP and AC fridge, along with the pantry right next to it, which is always nice. LPAC, it just means propane or electric fridge. For those of you that may not know, if I'm mansplaining, feel free to roast me in the comments. TV over here, some storage around it. This is your control board for every system. Thermostat above that. Furnace and AC operate off of that. Come into the bathroom. Have a lot of space in here with a second entrance into the bedroom. Above the toilet is also a fantastic fan with a rain sensor. It's got a max air vent cover on the roof. Vanity. Pretty stock and standard. Wide shower. We'll enter this way into the bedroom so you can see that there is another slide for the closet. So closet space runs all the way down into the bedroom. Bed does lift up. You have 2 windows in the bedroom and another max air vent. Open up the storage for you. And then right here, you're gonna have a place to hang your clothes. And then coming out of the bedroom, you have your second door, which leads you right back into the living area. 1 AC, it's a Coleman Mach AC, 15,000 BTU. Fully ducted, so you're gonna get airflow into every room when it's on. I didn't turn those lights on because I'm bad at my job. Let's go outside. To close this out, I want to say thank you for watching. This is at Referral Auto Group in Escalon, California. Number is on the screen if you want to get a hold of me. Beyond that, what we include with every vehicle is we have no dealer prep fees. The only fees you're going to pay are sales tax and DMV per the state of California. I got a golden handcuff to them, and if I don't make you pay those, then I have to pay them or, go to court. Why am I saying that? We're a smaller boutique shop here in the Central Valley. So if you know somebody, it's in the name, Referral Auto Group. If this is something that they could be interested in, let them know. Share the love. Share the post. Share the post. Share the post. Share the post. I've been Sam. You've been awesome. Love you. Bye.